Hello everyone, in this video we are going to unbox a few items for back to school, especially for girls. So I will show you the most necessary items to go back to school fresh and with a new willingness to learn new things. So let's start with the bags. So we have two bags. This for my older daughter, grade 4, and this is for my younger daughter, which is going to pre-KG. This is like the most necessary ones, like you can put here your books, your lunch box. This one is for lunch box, and within this one also you get additional one for the lunch box, and here to put your pencils and other items as well. So this one is very nice because you get all these additional items, and they like these pom-poms also to play with. So let's check now this smaller one, how it is. All these items you can order from the links below. This one is also very nice and simple, as you can see. From the links below, there is from Temu, from AliExpress, from Amazon. You can choose for yourself. See this one for lunchbox, also very nice. And they sent a few more items. I think this is just a gift, like a small wallet. This is what you get, and you see this one has isolation from inside, so it will keep your food warm once you close it. Then of course you want to have some new shoes, cheap prices. You can get all the items basically ready to back to school for one child, maybe for around $100 maximum. Everything you need, bag, shoes, pencils, everything. So you can see these shoes are really nice, and you can check the link below to see the price. As you can see, very nice shoes. Then we have one smaller bag also if she goes somewhere, like on some external activities, like if they are visiting some park or zoo. This is the one. Then we have here a lunch box. Now this one is, as you can see, steel inside, so this is my recommendation. When you are buying lunchbox, make it steel, because you can put even hot food inside it. If it is plastic, you know, if it is not good quality plastic, maybe it will take some of the plastic inside the food when it's hot. But if you take stainless steel, for sure nothing will happen. And here there is plenty, as you can see. You can put some nice food here, and here also some fruits and vegetables as well. Of course, with it you need also some nice spoon and fork. So let's open this one. As you can see, they are a bit funny, but again, good quality. You can see they are all with this design, like a bag, this spoon and fork, and this water bottle, and that lunchbox, if I'm not wrong, all same design. So you can put even all within the same, like a brand or something. So you can see this one is also very nice. And for the end, you want to be nice and clean going to school, so you will need a lot of these, as well as some nice comb, again in the same design, as you can see here, and it has some glitters here. So very nice. Of course you will need also the pencils and other stuff, which I already have from the previous year, but if they need some additional things, we will order as well. So check the links below. Everything is available at great prices, and now they have discounts for back to school. So see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum. May peace be upon you.